'Tis the season for wearing heavier and warmer coats, but it's also the season of having to deal with repairs when the hardware on these coats breaks, particularly the zipper. In this video, I'll show you how I went about repairing one of the most difficult zipper repairs ever, and that is a broken zipper pin. Let's start with the coat that needs repairs. Everything is perfect about this coat except for the zipper. Shortly after you zip the coat up, the teeth of the zipper tend to fall away from one another. This creates a large gap in the zipper that makes it impossible for the zipper to function and for the coat to stay shut. So how does this even happen? At the bottom of the zipper, you'll find two pieces of hardware, the bottom stop and the pin. The pin is what gets inserted into the zipper slider and then pulled down into the bottom stop. The pin being secured in the bottom stop is what anchors and stabilizes its side of the zipper and causes the teeth to stay together. If the zipper pin breaks or falls off, that side of the zipper is no longer stabilized, resulting in a zipper whose teeth fail to stay together. Chances are, if you clicked on this video, you probably have already seen the video by UCAN Zippers USA, which labels this repair impossible. In short, they explain that this is because human force cannot replicate the force of the machine that creates the divot that attaches the pin to the zipper. While that may be true, this doesn't help anyone who can't afford to buy a new coat or who can't afford repairs with a tailor. So I decided to take a solution offered in the comments and see if it worked. I thrifted this coat for $10, which is around the cost of a zipper repair kit. Using the zipper slider from the original coat, I was able to find and match the zipper size that I needed. I was also able to find a coat by the same brand in case that made a difference. The first thing I did was use a seam ripper to open the seam in the new coat so that I could access the bottom of the zipper. With the bottom of the zipper accessible, I had to cut away the new zipper pin. With no space between the zipper pin and zipper teeth, I had to make my original cut between the last two zipper teeth, then go in with finer scissors and remove the last zipper tooth. I made some extra cuts to clean up the edges on both zippers. As well as shorten the zipper tab on the new zipper for a perfect fit. Then I hand sewed the new zipper pin to the bottom of the old zipper. To do this, I sewed both horizontal and vertical stitches to perfectly stabilize the zipper pin. I sewed a final reinforcing stitch and the coat was complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Please consider liking and subscribing so that this channel might eventually achieve partner status.